Well, hello there, and welcome to my channel. My name is Immensely Ya. You can also call me Ya. It's a beautiful day in South Florida, and I am going apartment hunting today, so I am taking you with me. So here we are at the entrance. The unit features new 32 by 32 porcelain tile floors. It has a nice bright dining area. The kitchen is open concept and is updated with quartz waterfall countertops and brand new stainless steel appliances. And this is the living area. It's nice and bright. The living area is quite spacious. And right outside the living area is the balcony. It's facing east, so you'll catch the beautiful sunrise as you sip your morning coffee. So next up we have our master bedroom and bath. This room is really nice, and you still have the nice view from your window. And here we have the walk-in closet. A nice glass door that leads to the bathroom. Dual vanities with LED lighting. Very nice. And in the shower, we have our waterfall shower head. Barn style glass sliding doors. It's really nicely tiled. Here we have some shelving where you can place your towels. I really love the LED mirrors. Okay, here's our hallway, and this unit features a bonus room, and I'm not sure what I'll use this for. It looks like a diaper changing station, but I don't have any kids, so I think I'll use it as an office. Okay, and we have the hall closet here, which we can store some containers, storage bins, mop, vacuum. And here's our second bathroom, our main bathroom. It also features a waterfall shower head. It's nicely tiled. And another LED mirror. Great for doing your makeup in here in the mornings. This is the second bedroom in the unit. It's quite spacious. It's a nice size. And let's see the views. Okay, we still have a nice view of the lake and the golf course. Looks like a walking trail is behind the building as well. Okay, so that's it for my first tour. Let me know what you think about this unit. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll have more units to show you.